First question is employees earning more than their manager. In this employee table, we can see Joe is the only employee who is earning more than his manager. His manager is Sam and Sam is earning 60,000. Let us see the query. Select E dot name as employee from employee E, join employee M on E dot manager ID equal to M dot ID and E dot salary greater than M dot salary. From employee E, the employee table is aliased as E, representing employees. Join employee M. The same employee table is aliased as M, representing managers. This is a self join, meaning that the table is joined with itself on E dot manager ID equal to M dot ID. This condition ensures that E is the associated with M, where E dot manager ID refers to the ID of the manager and E dot salary greater than M dot salary. This additional condition filters employees whose salary is greater than their respective managers. Select E dot name as employee. The query selects and displays the name of the employee who meet the above conditions, and the output is Joe. And the next question is duplicate emails. Write a SQL query to find all duplicates in a table named person. And this is the person table. Here the duplicate email is a@b.com. So our output should be a@b.com. Select the email from person group by email having count of star greater than 1. From person, this specifies that we are working with the person table. Group by email. This group by records in the person table based on the email column. All rows with the same email will be grouped together. Having count of star counts the number of occurrences of each email in the grouped results. Having count of star greater than 1 filters the groups where an email appears more than once, meaning it is duplicated. And the next question is customers who never ordered. Here is the customers table and here is the orders table. Customers table having customer ID and name and the order table having order ID and customer ID. Suppose that a website contains two tables, the customer table and the orders table. Write a SQL query to find all the customers who never order anything. Select name as customer 1 from customer 1, where ID not in select customer ID from orders from customers 1. The query retrieves data from the customers 1 table which contains customer information. Select name as customer 1. Selects the name column from the customers 1 table and renames it as customers in the output. Where ID not in select customer ID from orders, the subquery select customer ID from orders retrieves all customer ID values from the orders table, representing customers who have placed at least one order. Where ID not in subquery filters out customers whose ID present in the orders table. This ensures that only customers who are not found in the orders table are included in the output. And the output is Henry and tax. Next question is department highest salary. Write a SQL query to find employees who have the highest salary in each of the departments. Here, this is the employee table and this is the department table. Let us see the query. Select department.name as department, employee.name as employee, salary from employee, join department on employee dot department ID equal to department.id, where department ID comma salary in, select department ID comma max of salary as salary from employee group by department ID. From employee and join department, this joins the employee table with the department table using department ID. So we can retrieve department names along with employee names and salaries. The subquery select department ID comma max of salary group by department ID. This subquery finds the maximum salary in each department. Select department ID comma max of salary from employee group by department ID. It returns a list of department IDs along with their highest salary. Where department ID comma salary in subquery, this filters the main query to include only employees whose department ID comma salary pair matches one of the results from the subquery. Essentially, this ensures that only employees with the highest salary in each department are selected. And the next question is managers with at least 5 direct reports. Given the employee table, write a SQL query that finds out managers with at least 5 direct reports. And this is the employee table. Here we can clearly see that John is the only manager who is having more than 4 or 5 employees who is reporting directly to him. Let us see the query. Select name from employee where ID in. Select manager ID from employee to group by manager ID having count of distinct ID greater than or equal to 5. The subquery select manager ID from employee to group by manager ID having count of distinct ID greater than or equal to 5. The employee to table likely contains a self-referencing hierarchy where manager ID represents the ID of an employee who is a manager. The subquery groups employees by their manager ID and filters only those managers who have at least 5 distinct employees reporting to